It is my great pleasure, though, to be able to introduce one of our companies today that happens to be our first Chinese company ever accepted into the SparkLabs Accelerator Fund. And although this company, China Beacon, is the first, it won't be the last. I think from today going forward, we look forward to many more Chinese companies joining the SparkLabs family. So we look forward to this. Now, China Beacon, Beacon Doctor, excuse me, is based in Chengdu, China. They have a vision of playing an active and constructive role in the development of the Medical Services Society of China. Their tool will be a cloud-based collaboration and networking solution for medical professionals. And I would just ask you, before the CEO, Sarah Deng, joins us, what's more important in the world today than all nations striving to provide their people with the dignity of life that comes with a leading medical services society? Sarah Deng understands that, and she's here to share with us today how that medical services society is evolving in China. So I bring you Sarah.
女士们、先生们，下午好。Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sarah. My team and I are based in Chengdu, China. Today, it's my great honor to introduce Beacon Doctor, a communication and networking solution for medical professionals in China. According to iMedia research, by 2017, the mobile health market in China will reach $2 billion US. It's an emerging market with great opportunities. Yet, as of 2012, the doctor-patient ratio was as low as 1.7 to 1,000. It not only means doctors are scarce resources in China, it also means they are having heavy workload. We want help, but how? Well, first, let's meet Dr. Li. Dr. Li, 45 years old, working in Sichuan No. 2 People's Hospital. In his daily work, 1/4 of the time was spending on collaborating with coworkers on patient cases, communicating with other departments, for example, nurse station, or attending meetings to exchange the latest findings in that field. And all this networking and communication is currently done by phone calls, text messages, or WeChat. For phone calls and text messages, Dr. Li relies on a paper directory edited in January 2013, which is really outdated and inefficient. And on top of that, they're not designed for team collaboration because it does not include everyone in a group on the same page. Well, we have WeChat. WeChat is great. It has group chat feature, but it is not secure information-wise and does not have cloud storage for information, and more often than not, messages get lost because there are simply so many. After seeing Dr. Li going through the paper directory, wasting his time and getting lost in team communication, we come up with a better solution, Beacon Doctor. And here's a live demo. Instead of the paper directory edited in January 2013, we now present a dynamic directory. Stored on cloud, Dr. Li can now quickly search and then dial, easy like that. And it's stored on cloud, meaning if Dr. Li switched to another device, which happens often, it will be ready for him. We also have a group chat facility where Dr. Li can now have real-time communication with his colleagues, sharing ideas, files, scheduling meetings, and all that, with feedback that is on time. We also have a medical social network. Publishes ideas here and get feedback, and follow other experts. To recap, we are dedicated to make doctors' work easier. by providing them a better solution for communication and networking. And we are starting with 3 basic features: dynamic directory, cloud storage and search, and medical social network. We're taking a typical freemium model based on cloud storage usage. And a lot of major mHealth players in China have received substantial funding from Baidu, CICC, Sequoia, and Tencent, and all the big names. But we take a different approach. Whereas they focus on online consulting, patient management, or self-diagnosis, we are focusing on medical professionals. We help them to communicate and network easier, which put us in a unique position in the market. And here's our team. My name's Sarah, graduated from Sichuan University, went to Draper University this summer. It's in Silicon Valley, founded by Tim Draper, a leading venture capitalist. My co-founder, Dr. Bigan, is a medical doctor with 10 years experience. Rufeng, Xiaowu, and Hongyu. These are our IT guys. Extensive project experiences in gaming industry, Huawei, and RightPhone. We will first roll out in Sichuan, where we're based, in first quarter 2015. Expand in Western China by fourth quarter 2015, and expand nationwide in 2016. Now here, please allow me to remind you, we have 23,000 hospitals, which serves 1.2 billion people. Dr. Li and his colleagues could really use our help. We're asking for $400,000 for product development, marketing, and sales. We've already gained interest from investors in the Valley and China. Maybe here today. That would be beautiful. Join us to make Dr. Li's work easier. Thanks so much.